Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you exactly how to hide comments in Notion, even though there's no official hide button built in. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the simple trick for tucking away comments on any Notion page, how to bring them back if you need to see them again, and even how to permanently delete a comment when you're ready to say goodbye to it. So let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to know that Notion doesn't actually offer a quick hide button for comments. Unlike some other apps, you can't just click a little eye icon and make comments disappear from your workspace. But don't worry, there's a practical workaround that works just as well, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's start by adding a comment, just so you see the whole process. At the very top of any Notion page, right next to the title, you'll see a little speech bubble icon that says Add Comment. Click on that. Now type in your comment, maybe it's a note to yourself, feedback for your team, or even something like a quick reminder. The beauty of Notion's commenting system is it's flexible for all sorts of workflows. You don't have to use it just for collaboration. Now, once your comment is posted, let's talk about how to actually hide it. Here, the trick. Instead of looking for a hide button, you're going to resolve the comment. That's what Notion calls it when you decide a conversation is finished or a note isn't needed right up front anymore. To do this, simply click on Resolve. Immediately, you'll notice the comment vanishes from the main page. It's gone from view, making your workspace cleaner and less cluttered. If you're the type who gets distracted by old notes or just wants to keep things tidy for clients or presentations, this is a great way to keep your Notion pages looking their best. But what if you realize you need that comment later? Maybe there was an important detail in there or someone wants you to clarify what you wrote. Don't worry, resolved comments aren't deleted, just tucked away. To bring the comment back, head to the top right corner of your Notion page and look for the comment icon, which looks like a little speech bubble. Click on it, then choose See All Comments. Here you'll find not just your current open comments, but also those you've resolved previously. Spot the one you want and click on Reopen. Like magic, your comment returns to its original spot on the page, ready to be edited, discussed, or just reviewed. It's a simple way to toggle back and forth, a bit like putting a sticky note away in a drawer and pulling it out when you need a reminder. If you're sure you no longer need a comment, whether it's confidential or just outdated, you can go a step further and delete it entirely. Just keep in mind, deleting is permanent, sort of like tossing that sticky note in the trash instead of the drawer. So make sure you really want to remove it before you hit the delete button. And that's all there is to it. Even though Notion doesn't have a straightforward hide button for comments, resolving them gives you all the control you need, with the option to restore or delete as your workflow changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below if you have any questions about Notion. I always check and reply. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss a practical guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.